Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker. The JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker was released in late 2018 and is a significant upgrade over the Charge 3. The JBL Charge 4 lets you connect up to 2 Bluetooth devices that you can easily rotate playing sound from, offers up to 20 hours of music playback, features a USB port so you can charge your USB devices, and is Ipx7 Waterproof, which means the device can be submerged in up to 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes and still function properly. Now let's unbox the JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker. Locate the 2 pieces of tape along the back bottom edge of the JBL Charge 4 box and then remove the 2 pieces of tape. The flap on the front of the box is magnetic. Pull the flap up and then lift it up to open the box. The JBL Charge 4 speaker will be seated in foam molding. Gently lift to remove the JBL Charge 4 speaker from the foam molding. You can see the Bluetooth, volume up and down, power and play buttons across the top of the device. If you open the cover on the back of the device, you'll see a USB-C charging port, a connector for a 3.5mm audio cable, and a standard USB connector where you can connect and charge USB devices. Along the bottom of the front of the rubber stand on bottom of the device, you'll see 5 dots associated with LED lights. When you power your device on, the LED lights will glow, indicating the charge level of your JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker. 5 LED lights glowing indicates a full charge, and 1 LED light glowing indicates a very low charge. Now, remove the black cardboard box located directly behind where your JBL Charge speaker was sitting in the box. Opening one end of the box will reveal a quick start guide for your JBL speaker, along with a warranty and safety instructions. Opening the other end of the box reveals the USB-C cable you can use to charge your device. Thanks for watching my JBL Charge 4 unboxing. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you like what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.